Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking jerk wings from hell. These are insanely hot, but because of the bold flavors, it has a beautiful depth from hot to tangy. To start off, we need to make a simple chicken rub. You'll need equal parts salt and pepper. Next, 1 tablespoon of paprika. Then half a tablespoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of onion powder. Mix the rub together until it's all fully combined. This simple rub is perfect for any chicken recipe. In a bowl, add your chicken wings. Pour over the rub we made bit by bit to fully coat the wings. These wings are ready to hit the barbecue. Set up your barbecue for indirect cooking. I'm using Clean Heat charcoal. Next, evenly lay out the chicken wings. Cook for a total of 40 minutes at 365 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Now it's time to make the sauce. First, finely dice 1 habanero. This chili is extremely hot and you want to dice it as fine as you can so the sauce gets an even amount of the chili. Next, finely slice 1 spring onion. To a bowl, add the chili and spring onion. Then 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, some salt and pepper, 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, finally the juice of 1 lime. Mix it all together, creating a hot but tangy sauce. All that's left to do is to sauce the wings. Add the wings to the bowl and mix them through the sauce. There you have it, jerk chicken wings from hell. These aren't for the faint-hearted as they pack a hell of a punch, but they still have a great balance of flavour. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.